This microcredential deals with network operating systems, NOSs, and consists of 4 targeted skills. This targeted skill is about NOS basics. Essentially, computer operating systems, COSs, and network operating systems, NOSs, provide the same basic functions. They both manage hardware resources, manage applications and their access to system resources, and provide an interface for the user. However, a computer operating system is designed to perform these functions for an individual user on that computer. A network operating system is designed to be installed on a server and provide services to multiple users and devices through network connections. There are 2 major types of network operating systems: Unix/Linux based and Windows Server. Windows systems are more familiar to users and provide good technical support, while Unix/Linux based systems require more technical expertise on the part of the operator. But these are also less vulnerable to viruses and malware. Because computers with an NOS installed are responsible for managing assets to multiple client computers, they require more memory, storage space, and processor power than a typical personal computer, PC. One of the biggest advantages of an NOS is that it provides a means for the central management of users and assets. Administrators are able to create user accounts and assign rights to those accounts from a single NOS-capable server. When a user logs into a client on the network, the client attempts to authenticate the user. If successful, the user will be granted access based upon their configured rights. File services are also components of an NOS. They take advantage of the greater disk capacity of servers to provide storage. Having files stored in a central location makes it easier for the administrator to prevent data loss with backups. It also improves availability of those files to allow users to access the files from multiple devices. An NOS also allows for the central management of printers. Administrators can use print services to provide access to printers, distribute drivers, and control features available on the printers. Some other services that are provided by an NOS is Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol DHCP and Domain Name System DNS. The Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol is used to automatically provide IPv4 addressing information to clients on the network. This information includes an IPv4 address for the host, the subnet mask, default gateway, and DNS server. Using DHCP automates the process of assigning IP addresses to devices. It alleviates problems created by statically assigning IP addresses. The server can also be configured as a domain name system DNS server. People remember names better than IP addresses, but computers use IP addresses to access other systems. DNS acts like a phone book, associating names with phone numbers. When a user types in a Uniform Resource Locator, URL, in a web browser, the computer accesses the DNS server to find the IP address. Local DNS servers are the authority for the network that they are configured on. These servers access external DNS servers whenever they need to look up remote names. Servers with an NOS installed can also add fault tolerance to a network. These devices are capable of implementing different levels of random array of inexpensive disks, or RAID. RAID makes use of multiple disks on a system so that when one fails, another drive automatically takes its place. An NOS also provides failover protection through clustering. Clustering allows for the creation of multiple servers providing the same services. They provide the ability for the servers to share the workload, thus improving performance and availability, meaning that when one fails, the services will still be provided. An NOS can also provide improved security through logging. Accountability is an important aspect of network security. Lastly, they can be used to confirm the integrity and confidentiality of files on a network by providing a record of who accessed files, when they accessed them, and what changes they made. In conclusion, Remember that a computer operating system is designed to perform various functions for an individual user on a computer. However, a network operating system is designed to be installed on the server and provide services to multiple users and devices through network connections.